Clarkson Open Source Institute. So we are a lab dedicated to free and open source software. I guess it's been described as half clubhouse, half academic lab.
COSI is a student-run organization. We are under the umbrella of the computer science department. But all of our decisions are made in-house. We have a forum where we democratically vote on how to use our budget and what to do. And in general, we are focused on education.
People do things from doing server room, maintaining servers, doing VR development, operating system development, robotics. It's really about learning and teaching is kind of how the cycle goes. You learn something, you teach it to someone else, and then they take over and move on, and then you move on to your next thing.
It's kind of a jack-of-all-trades lab that's meant to allow everyone to get some experience in whatever field they're interested in. The people who are in here all the time become good friends and family, and we keep in touch, and we have a strong alumni network that we talk to all the time and who come in back to see the labs and things. But yeah, so we're definitely a very tight-knit group. We don't need to know things to come in here. The whole point is to come in here. Most of us came in here knowing nothing. So we came in and we sat down and we joined a conversation and we asked, what's that, or what are you talking about? Could you explain that to me? Can I help you with that project or this project? And soon you become the experts and are able to participate just as much. So all you really need is interest to come join.